Good morning, everyone. My name is Υannis and here's our standard analysis on the monthly euro-dollar chart this time. We go back a few months, having said and posted on our Facebook and other social media profiles about the relationship on the interest rate differentials for the euro-dollar, specifically because this explains a lot on what you see on this chart. Specifically the relationship between the 30-year US bond and the 30-year Bund, the German equivalent. Now, at that time, a few months ago, that stood at about 208 basis points difference. I remember one yielding 3.2 and the German one yielding 1.12. And for that big difference to explain the course of the two countries, even if someone accounted for a mediocre inflation in Germany, the euro-dollar should be quoting around 0.82 cents to compensate the Germans for such a low return. Now, we wanted to show you this chart today, a monthly chart on the euro-dollar, because the bullish movement of the dollar, which has been in place for a few months, as you can see from the chart, is still intact, and unless we break the 122 towards 125 or 130, as you can see, we are still on a bullish trend on euro-dollar, and we are going towards parity, and maybe as the circle denotes here, about 0.85. Now, the markets do not react 100% as we expect them to, but you should expect a bullish dollar sentiment as long as their economy performs well, the interest rates hold around the levels they are, and obviously the technicals pinpoint to around parity. And that would be a major movement because it hasn't happened for many years. We were close, as you can see from the chart, a year ago or so, but if that happens this time, that will unleash short positions on the euro, and we will see the parity being lost quite easily. So we are waiting to see what will happen in this area. If it breaks 122 and above, then this scenario is cancelled. If it does continue its bullish sentiment at the moment, then we are looking for the parity to start with, and maybe even lower on exaggeration and stop loss orders triggered to take